Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys saw on the title, is going to be on my Ricky Cool Crush subscription box. I am so excited for this month, July's subscription box. I am a little late, well, not a little, a lot, because it's basically the 31st of July and I haven't even opened the box yet. I had little sneak peeks, but I haven't yet opened the box. And if you guys are not familiar about Ricky Cool Crushes, is a subscrition. It's for $11, but for some reason they did bump up the price just because there was so many people buying it at one point, signing up for their subscription boxes, that they actually end up boosting up the price. So I'm pretty sure right now is $14 or $15. I'll leave it somewhere here on the screen or not on the description box below, as well as their website. But Ricky is actually a store here in New York, mostly in Manhattan, and they have a store where they carry all types of brands, from high-end to affordable. So they made this box to include a little bit of everything, and I love it. I've been subscribed to them. I've been subscribed to the subscription box for a long time, basically from the beginning, and every month it got better and better and better. So I think that's the reason also they boost up the price. But I am so excited to open this up. And before we begin this subscription unboxing, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as the little bell, so I can notify you guys every time I upload. And give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy it. It always helps me when you guys give this video thumbs up, because I know what you guys like and what to create next. So further ado, if you guys are so ready, like I am, to see what Cool Crushes came with, then let's get to it. So it basically looks like this, with their logo, with the name Ricky. Basically this is the logo they also have in the stores. So when you open it up, you get this, little flingy stuff and this little bubbly wrapping thing. I don't know how you call these, but I love that because it actually secures the product and there's less chances of anything breaking. So you first get a little paper thing where it says Cool Crushes, and the back, it basically will give you a little detail of each product and what it does. So I'm just going to grab the first thing I see and just pull it out and then read to see what's about. I would like, let me know in the comment section below if you guys would like for me to come in with a bare face, depending on what there is inside the box, so I can try it out for you guys. I think that would be very cool. So leave me down in comments below if you guys will prefer that, or give this video a big thumbs up and I will know if that's something that you guys will prefer. So the first thing that I see is this Bat Those Lashes Volume Lash Serum. So it's basically I guess a serum for your eyelashes. Let me read a little bit about this. So basically it grows your lashes and feels summertime fine with the help of a serum. Not only does it conditions your lashes for a lush look, biotin helps them grow naturally. Use daily for best results. So this is something I'm very, very interested, because right now I got falsies just because I have no lashes. My lashes are so thin and I so hate it. I hate them so bad. But this is something that I'm actually going to try out, and I will let you guys know either on IG. If you guys are not following me on IG, make sure you do. I will leave it down here somewhere in the screen, but it's #malavebeauty, and join the #malavebeauty fam if you guys would like to keep posted on any of the things that I am actually mentioning now. So I'm actually excited. So I should have opened this prior to this video, but I didn't. Let me see if I find something to open this. When you take it out, it's this little thing just like this. It says Bat These Lashes, and they are from the brand Smack Beauty. And this is a pretty, like, I think regular size product. Because sometimes these subscription boxes sometimes come with full size products, and sometimes they come with sample products for you to try, but this looks full size to me. I'm not gonna really open it because I don't want it to dry. I want to be able to open it when I'm ready to use it, but I'm very intrigued to see if this actually works. So the next thing is this LA Splash Cosmetics Vanish Potion waterproof makeup remover. And basically what it says on the card is when your makeup is trying to have a staycation, I hope that's how you pronounce it, on your face, remove it with a miracle product. With olive and vitamin C, leave your skin feeling smooth and hydrated after. So I wonder how you open this. It says it's coconut concussion. My English, I hate it. Anyways, so, ooh, this is very interesting. So you basically, you guys, if I can keep this on focus, you basically open it like this, and this is the product right here. It looks green in the bottle, so it's very, very interesting. And you can tell that is not folded all the way to the top, but for something that isn't a subscription box, I think this is good enough. As I don't know if it's a sampler or not, but it comes with this little squeezing tube. So I'm just gonna pour some behind my arm to see the consistency. So one drop. It is like an oil base. It feels like an oil base. I don't know if you guys can see the shine. I mean, you probably can't. But it's actually like an oil consistency. And I'm actually excited to try this out as well. Just because I'm always looking for something new to cleanse out and remove my makeup without stripping the oils in my face. Some of the cleansers or oils or anything like that can do, and also oily depending on the oil. So I'm very excited to try this out. The next product is the LA Splash Wickedly Divine Health Dealer. I guess it's a lipstick, but from where it says here, it says just like your favorite summer outfit, this lipstick is light, comfortable, and sure to turn heads. Rock this tropical pop of color for a night out in the heat. That's very, very interesting. It makes me want to just open it up real quick. So I like how it actually says, "Hey Queen," when you open it. So this is in the shade Controversy, and look at how pretty is the packaging. It has their little logo there where it says Queen SF. All you guys know what that means. And the packaging is so pretty. It has this like silvery whitish I don't know how to call this. It's pretty matte. There's no shimmer in it. It's pretty matte, and it also has like this gold ring around in the middle of the lipstick. And then when you open it, it's actually this pretty red color that it actually will be perfect. It's not, yeah, it is pretty red. It'll be perfect for nighttime. Let me give a big swatch for you guys to see. So that is a pretty reddish red. No, that's a very pretty reddish orange lipstick. I think that would look so pretty with, maybe even with this eye right here with this lipstick, it would look pretty nice too. If you guys are wondering what I have on my lips, I am wearing the Bad Habits liquid lipstick in, what shade is this? Collide. Looks just like this. I love their liquid lipsticks. They're very comfortable and long lasting. Anyways, moving on. So I'm excited to try that out. That's a pretty color. Like, I can see myself wearing that. So the next product is, let me move this one out of the way. And this is the Ricky Care Backstage Travel Wipes. Remove makeup, tones, cleanse, and has olive, vitamins E, and chamomile, whatever, flower extract. So it's basically a travel makeup wipe, and these can always come in handy, especially when you're traveling, or you can just throw it in your purse or in your little side purse or wherever you guys put your stuff. So I did a big mistake. This is the LA Girl Wickedly Divine liquid lipstick. I don't know what this one came from because it's not on my card. They gave me 6 products instead of 5. So that was my bad, my mistake. This one is from the brand, what brand is this? Okay, this lipstick is from the brand Crate Finds. So I do apologize. And then this one, LA Splash or Last Splash, Wicked Define Liquid Lipstick. I was kind of wondering, but let's take this out. So this is really pretty. I actually have a different one that they send me from a different subscription box, and that color is beautiful. But this one, it literally looks like a potion. It looks like a potion. It has the matte going towards like the bottom, and then towards like at the end of the lipstick, it kind of, you know, shows the color, and it's kind of see-through. I don't know if you guys can see that, and it's really, really pretty. And then it has a nice little red stone. So let's see how this one swatches. This one smells good. It smells really, really, really good. So I'm gonna swatch it right here. This is a purpley night color. So I actually did say just that it was actually a tropical pop of color for a night out in the heat, and this is definitely a night out color. It's so pretty. It's like a purpley like a burgundy purpley color. It is so pretty. So this one is the LA Splash Wickedly Divine Death Dealer, not the other one, not this one, my mistake. So I'm gonna be excited to try all these products out. I'm telling you guys, this subscription box always come with amazing products, and it's very affordable. I mean, it was not bad, the $11 that they used to charge, and it's still not bad, $15. But for you to come up with 5 to 6 products a month, that's not bad at all. You cannot beat that. So the last product that I did want to leave for last is the Glamazon from Glamazon Beauty, and this one is a cream highlighter. And what it says is enhance your sun-kissed complexion with a natural looking highlight applied at the tops of your cheekbones, down to the center of your nose, and anywhere for a natural light will hit. So this is how it looks like. It is a cream highlighter. When you open it up, it looks just like this. So pretty much every product that I did show you guys besides the wipes are basically full-size products. I don't know about the oil cleanser, and I will check that out and leave it down in the detail section below. But basically almost everything is, you know, a full size, and that's very, very impressive. So this one is the number 2 Amber Light, and when you open it, it looks just like this. It looks like a bronzy color. I love that. Yes, I did dig my finger already. But this is a very, very pretty color. When you give it a little twirl, this is the highlight. I don't know if you guys can see it because my lights are so bright today. It actually is making my face kind of, you know, a little washy, but I could see that, and I think it's very, very pretty. It's like that kind of It looks like a cream highlighter that will give you like a glow within. Not so much of a pop like this. More like a natural highlight. And that's something that I will actually wear now for the summertime. And maybe for the fall. Just because it's too high. No one wants to deal with a full face of makeup. And, you know, it will look a little bit more natural. And it looks like a pretty color. So this, I think this color will look nice for light to medium skin tones. Not much for like dark medium to deep colors, just because it's actually more of like a light bronzy champagne. It's not very dark, so I think this color will suit more for my fair to light to medium skin tones. So basically that's it. I am very impressed with every product that came in the subscription box. I'm telling you guys, you should go try it if you're looking for a subscription box that will contain a little bit of everything, some high-end, some drugstore. This is a very good affordable you know, a very good affordable subscription box where, in my opinion, every month I'm very impressed. I'm never kind of like, I don't like this, or I haven't had that problem as yet. But I am very, I'm going to use these wipes. I am very impressed, as I said, with everything that came in. I am loving the cream highlighter, as well for the lipsticks that I got. They are two totally different colors, and I like that. It gives you variety, it gives you options, and like I said, I love that about a subscription box. Also, as for the lash serum, I'm not really good in for these things, just because I'm a very forgetful person, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to forget to apply this, but I'm going to try my best to remember to try to give you guys a fair, honest review about any of these products. As well as for this cleanser, this is like the cutest thing out of the entire subscription box. Like, look at this. This is so pretty. It's so mini. You can basically take that anywhere, and it sounds, you know, glass, but it's, you know, it's pretty puny where you can actually put it anywhere. So basically I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed this monthly subscription box, and if you did, like I said in the beginning, please give it a big thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram and as well as on my Twitter. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Join the Malave Beauty fam, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.